There is massive job recruitment going on in Canada and in the province of Prince Edward Island. Canada is currently recruiting thousands of people to come to work in Canada, and Prince Edward Island is currently experiencing labor shortage, massive labor shortage, and they are running numerous international recruitment program. So today I would like to take you through this program because it is an opportunity which is rare, which gives you a quick move to Canada if you become successful. You know, I've had experiences of people who registered for international recruitment like this and got selected, and within the next 2 months from time of registration, they find themselves with their family in Canada. So this is how wonderful this is. It is an opportunity that lets you move to Canada quicker than ever imagined. So, guys, I would like you to pay attention to this video and follow me through this page. Let's see how you can immigrate to Prince Edward Island without spending any money. This program is free of charge and you don't have to spend money to attend this program. So if anyone asks you to pay money, then it is not for this program. So I would like you to pay attention. I would like us to read through this together. So this is the 2024 International Recruitment Talent Pool. From the word international recruitment means that you don't really need to live in Canada. So whether you live in Canada or outside of Canada, this is an opportunity for you to come to Canada and to the province of Prince Edward Island. So let's read this together. Please register and provide your resume or CV to be considered by employers that are hiring in Prince Edward Island. Employers will connect with potential applicants to discuss job opportunities in person or virtually. So it is either in person or virtually. So what are you waiting for? Hit up the application and get it rolling. But before then, let's go through it so you have an in-depth understanding of what it looks like. So importantly, it is a serious crime to lie or provide false information directly or indirectly to intentionally withhold or fail to submit material facts. This is fraud. It's called misrepresentation. It is free to submit a profile to express interest. It is illegal to pay for a job offer. Well, before I go through it, totally, I would like to play this video for you to appreciate what it looks like and the importance of coming to Prince Edward Island. So I would like you to be patient while we play this video. Imagine a place rich in history, culture, creativity, and scrumptious local food, where people are authentically friendly, where you're always close to your passions, where there's a strong entrepreneurial spirit, where quality of life and a successful career can go hand in hand, and where it's so scenic and peaceful, it feels like a storybook land. Is it possible for one place to offer so much? It certainly is. When you choose Prince Edward Island, you'll find all of these things and so much more. Maybe it's the result of endless rolling hills and being surrounded by the ocean. For us, there's always something new cresting the horizon. The Mi'kmaq called this place the Cradle on the Waves, a crescent of red earth nestled in the warm waters of the Gulf of St. Lawrence. It's a place where things grow and develop, whether it's abundant crops, fresh shellfish, epic tales, or new inventions. Even the idea of Canada as a nation was born here. Anne of Green Gables, perhaps our best known citizen, is a work of fiction. But when thousands of visitors come here to see the island they've pictured in their minds, they are thrilled to see that the shining waters, green pastures, and bright coastline they've read about aren't a fantasy. They are here, just waiting to be explored. On the island, we have always known that working together produces the best quality and helps get the most accomplished. Time hasn't changed that. Our bioscience and advanced manufacturing companies choose to work together just as much as our farmers and fishers do. Our schools, colleges, and university have been quick to respond to the changing needs of our workforce. This has been the key to being the only jurisdiction in Canada with continuous economic growth since 2008.
Our province is doing well, but keeping score has never been our thing. Of course, this is exactly what makes PEI such a great place to live, work, study, and play. It's a place where your neighbors take as much pride in your success as you do in theirs. Newcomers are choosing the island at a higher rate than anywhere else in the country. Our workforce is skilled and only getting stronger. And our employment rate is growing faster than anywhere else as well. It's no wonder we regularly lead the country in business confidence. Even our early learning and childcare system rated #1 in Canada. People are attracted to a place where families can thrive and grow, just like our startups, and where protecting the pristine natural beauty around us is a top priority. Here, we say what we mean, and we mean what we say. We don't just talk about diversity, we've wholeheartedly embraced it. When we call Prince Edward Island Canada's food island, we believe it and work hard for the title. We're tenacious, and we don't let up until we can stand back with our hands on our hips with something in front of us that we can be proud of. We are ready to help you pursue your passions and your ambitions. Choose PEI.
Yeah, this video is awesome. I mean, this tells you about the importance of moving to PEI, Prince Edward Island, the beautiful things about them, and their industries, and how much quality of life they've got for you. So I think it's a great place to be. I mean, after watching this video, I feel like in fact, I should move to PEI because I didn't know it was such a wonderful island. Well, guys, yeah, let's continue now with the application process. So for you to submit, you just need to come right here. Please select the field of work you would like to be considered by for based on your experience or skills. So I would like to go through this. I mean, together with you. So I will start. Let's say if you're a health worker, you can select caregiver, registered nurse, doctor, other healthcare field of work. So you can see all the areas. So let me just select. Yeah, let me select doctor. So, and you can see for education, you can see childhood educators, elementary teacher, secondary teacher, other education field of work. You can also see if you are a tertiary, a lecturer, you can consider other education field of work. Okay, yeah. Then IT, you've seen web developer, programmer, cybersecurity analyst, software engineer, other IT field of work. Hospitality, we've got housekeeper, cook, other hospitality field of work. Trucking industry, we've got truck driver, dispatcher, heavy duty mechanic, and trucking industry field of work. For manufacturing, we've got machine operator, manufacturing worker, meat cutter, other manufacturing field of work. And for bioscience, we've got quality control, process engineer, other bioscience field of work. And once you select that, then you can put in the name of whomever you want to apply for, okay? Or whoever is applying for this. Yeah. So just fill out the name and yeah, you fill out your email also, your email address. Then the next you confirm your email. You can actually copy it and you can paste it. Yeah. Then select your resume and attach your resume as well. So you select your resume and attach it, and I will just select. So once you've done that, you can also read the you can come here and read the privacy policy consent, and you can agree to the consent. And once you've done that, you can save and move to next. So from the next page, you're going to see other information that you need to fill up. Please answer the following general qualification questions. What is your country of nationality? I'm filling for a Nigerian, so you can come here and type Nigeria. And what is your current country of residence? You can fill Nigeria. You can fill Nigeria. Nigeria. Or if you are not in Nigeria, you fill the country where you are. Are you between the age of 18 and 59? Yes, for this person, yes. Do you have a valid working holiday visa to travel and work in Canada? No, but if you have, you say yes. You can also say, if you're eligible, you can also say yes, you're eligible. Maybe you're from US or somewhere within the Caribbean. Yeah, professional experience, English proficiency. Are you able to perform work tasks in the English language? So you can say yes, experts. Are you able to perform work tasks in French language? You can say yes, basic. Are you interested in working full time in PI? You can say yes, because if you are not working full time, then you won't qualify. How many years of full time work experience do you have that are directly related to the position you are applying to? So, if you've worked, let's say you're a nurse, but you've worked before for 5 years as a hoteler or as a receptionist, you don't have to count it. You have to count the years you work as a nurse. So, it is important to take note of all these kind of informations that will make you appear to be genuine during your interview. What is your current position? So, say medical doctor. What are your previous position heads? So, you can also say medical doctor. If you're a nurse, you try to have the same so that you'll be able to demonstrate that you've been in that field for some time. Have you successfully completed at minimum a secondary school diploma or high school? Yes, that is the minimum requirement. What is your highest education? Bachelor's. How did you hear about this recruitment mission? Internet, social media, what is it? Okay, social media, specific. Okay, specify. Or through the embassy or through Prince Edward Island website. Also, because you're hearing from me, you can say social media, okay? And if they say specify, then you have to put YouTube. Okay. Then save and next below to submit your application. So once you do this, you are going to submit your application. Okay. So look at what it said. Thank you for registering for PEI's International Recruitment Talent Pool. Please be advised our office does not work with any third party recruitment agency, so you can be connected with PEI employers directly. You should not be charged any fees to register for this pool. You will receive an email shortly to confirm your registration was received. Please note, only candidates who are being considered with will be contacted. So this is very important. Okay. So it is once you're done, you've done this, then you're just good to go. You're ready to be contacted by the employers. Okay. So guys, remember to prepare a well-tailored CV before you apply for this position. And besides, also try to study your CV so that when you're called for interview, you will be able to attend the interview without facing any challenge or appearing to have misrepresented yourself. So it is a great opportunity for you to move to Canada, and I wish you success. But do not forget to share this video. Do not forget to give it a like and also comment where you're watching from and what skill you have. And let me know if you have interest in this, and if you want me to advise about your CV too. I may spend a little time to review your CV just to encourage you and to ensure that you come out successfully. I'll be dropping the link to this to the website where you can apply in the description section of the video. So do watch out for the link, and I also drop my email if you need additional support, which I will consider depending on what your request is. So then you can reach me out through the email, and we'll get the ball rolling. So guys, I wish you the best of luck, and I hope you do this without procrastinating, because a lot of people will be successful. There are a lot of jobs there to be filled in Prince Edward Island, and I hope you'll be one of the successful guys. I wish you the best of luck, guys. Have a great day. Cheers.